In this session, we're going to have a look at how to determine what fields display in CRMHaven. Now, the way that things normally appear is you would normally work with only a few particular headings, particular columns showing on your computer, and only a few rows of data. It's possible to show the whole lot, but usually we tend to only want to deal with certain fields and certain clients at one time. But should that situation change, the way that we do that is we click on the options menu down the bottom of the CRMHaven window and choose the option which says choose fields to display. What comes up is a window showing all of the possible fields that we can display in the main window, with it checked, the particular fields that we're currently viewing checked. So, say for example we want to display the person's website. At the moment you can see that we're only showing the client's name, the organization, but if we wanted the website we can click the web. If we want the website to appear in a different order, so at the moment it's only going to show those three in that particular order, what you can do is you can pick up a particular field name and change the order. So you can move them around as much as you want. They don't have to be in the standard alphabetical order. You can change the order that you want to appear in, and you can choose any of the other fields and things that you may want to appear. If you want to turn all of them off, you can click on here and go all off, and that'll turn off every single option in case you want to reset it. To turn them back on, you can go all on, which will show every field. In our case, we just want to show the client web at the start, the person's name, and their organization. Once you've got them, the fields that you want checked, and you've got them in the right order, then you can click on OK, and it'll refresh with the latest data from the server and that information there. Now, the three fields that we have at the start, the marked, quick contacts, and client ID, always show up. There's no way to remove them. We need them at all times. But it is possible to change the size should you want to go in and see different fields. Now, that's how we choose what particular columns show up. How do we determine if we want to see all of the columns or all of the rows just in one hit? And that is where we choose these other two options down here. So at the moment we're only looking at three particular additional fields showing up. If for whatever reason you quickly wanted to see all of the fields, you can go show every field, and that will then refresh and show every single field that we have for those current clients, all the way to the end. Heaps and heaps and heaps of different fields showing up there if you quickly wanted to find a particular one. Now, to reset that, we just go back to choose fields to display. The three are in there, we choose OK, and that's how we reset it back to what we had before. If we're looking at just a certain number of clients, so in this case we're just looking at the 14 quick contacts that we have, if we quickly wanted to see every client, we can go to the option here, show every client. That will go off, and choosing the same three columns we've got here, it'll show all of the clients that we've got on the system. That is, except those which are hidden, no contact and duplicate, and we could turn those on and see others as well. So we can see we've got 609 clients on our system. Okay, so that is how we quickly choose what fields are going to display, or every field, or how we choose every client. I hope that's useful for you, and that's all for this session. Thank you. Goodbye.